Okay, YouTube, just a super quick video today because many of you asked for this one. I'm going to be showing you guys how to get free Nintendo gift card code. You're going to be able to get free Nintendo eShop codes that when redeemed is going to credit your Nintendo Switch account a balance. I believe you can get $100 for completely free simply by redeeming a free gift card code, and that's exactly what I'm going to show you today, guys. So you need to use a mobile phone. Very important you do use a mobile for this because it makes the process so much more simple, and you need to have an internet connection. And this is going to be a rewards website I'm going to show you, where basically you complete a couple of tasks and you get rewarded tons of different things, including of course free Nintendo gift card codes. So you've got to head on over to the following website on your mobile phone internet: www.wavyrewards.com. So Wavy Rewards, guys. I'm going to put this on the screen somewhere as well. Very important you type it correctly to go to this rewards website. Now there is a set of instructions on this homepage. So it says here, receive reward by completing quick, easy and fun tasks. And it says click the button to see a selection of tasks, choose and complete 2 of them, following the instructions, and then you can go ahead, choose and claim your desired reward. Basically, guys, pretty self-explanatory. You need to go ahead, click on this claim now button, this green button here, and it's going to show you a list of different tasks. These can be like downloading and playing free games, and completing certain levels, or answering questions in surveys. Basically, guys, just fully complete any 2 tasks that you see once you click the button. And I'm going to skip forward a step just because I don't want this video to be too long. But basically, you're then going to be redirected to this website here, where you can go ahead and choose any reward on this website. Everything's going to be completely free for you, so you can have a browse through. Basically, guys, just scroll down or search for the Nintendo gift card codes page, and this is going to allow you to get a $100 free Nintendo eShop gift card code. And basically, guys, if you followed the instructions and fully completed 2 of those tasks on the rewards website, this will be fully unlocked. So this code will be revealed and you can go ahead, redeem it in the eShop for $100 of Nintendo credit. And that is how you can get free Nintendo gift card codes. You just got to make sure you follow all of the instructions on Wavy Rewards. Make sure you fully complete 2 tasks following the instructions, because that will unlock your free Nintendo gift card code. Very important you follow the instructions, and smash that like button if you got your free Nintendo eShop code, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.